Next, we'll demonstrate the closed feather stitch. We'll use 6 strands of floss, color number 10. Starting from the pattern's right side, bring the needle up at the upper right. Bring it down vertically below. Leave a small loop on the fabric. Bring the needle up next to that spot. Pull through the loop upward. Bring the floss down at this position. Again, don't pull tight. Leave a small loop on the fabric. Bring the needle up at this position. Pull upward. Bring it down from this lower position. Keep the tension loose. Bring up at this lower position. Pull upward. Bring down from this upper position. Following this pattern, complete the remaining lines. Bring down along the outer contour. The cloud filling stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.